there's more to write. I was halfway out, then I stayed all night. Got your fingers in my sleeve, got my heart on the page. Every little thing we keep turns the corner of the age. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee and your hand in mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. Yeah, making memories so sweet and true. Unwritten chapters with you. Sun on the tablecloth, slow dance in the hall. Your laugh hits the room like a painted wall. Got your fingers in my sleeve, got my heart on the page. Every little thing we keep turns the corner of the age. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee and your hand in mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. Yeah, I'm making memories so sweet and true. Unwritten chapters with you. If the ink runs thin, we'll start again. One more line, one more chance. And if the day falls dark, I'll still come through with an open book and a place for you. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee and your hand in mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. Yeah, I'm making memories so sweet and true. Unwritten chapters with you. You left a note by the door, said there's more to write. I was halfway out, then I stayed all night. Got your fingers in my sleeve, got my heart on the page. Every little thing we keep turns a corner of the age. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee and your hand in mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. You're making memories so sweet and true. like a painted wall. Got your fingers in my sleeve, got my heart on the page. Every little thing we keep turns the corner of the age. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee in your hand and mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. You're making memories so sweet and true. Unwritten chapters with you. If the ink runs thin, we'll start again. One more line, one more chance. And if the day falls dark, I'll still come through with an open book and a place for you. Writing unwritten chapters at the window seat, where the past and the future finally meet. With a cup of coffee in your hand and mine, we'll fill every page with a love divine. You're making memories so sweet and true. Unwritten chapters with you.